Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to download a Shopify premium theme without any cost. Open your Chrome browser, search for Successify. So click on the first link given by Google search engine. So the site will open. Check the URL of website. Now scroll down to a main categories where a Shopify section is provided by Successify website. So click on the Shopify option. Now scroll down to the Shopify themes provided by Successify website. On this page, a website is providing a $1 Shopify theme, but we want a free Shopify theme. So click on the Shopify button. There was no filter option on previous page, so we move to this page for just a filter option. I use the filter low to high price. So free themes will appear on this page after using the filter. Select your favorite Shopify theme. For example, I am selecting Ella Shopify theme. So click on Ella Shopify theme. Scroll down to check the demo of Shopify theme. So there is an option of a demo store. So view demo store, click on a view demo store. So on new tab, the store style or design will appear. So this is a very beautiful theme, especially for clothing brands. After watching the design of your desired Shopify theme, now go back to previous page. Scroll up and click on buy now button. Scroll down and click on a view cart button. Scroll down and also select the proceed to checkout. Scroll down and fill billing details with your personal information. After completing your personal information, click on the place order button. Scroll down and click on Ella theme specify a zip button. So after clicking the download will be started. Remember, these themes are just for a learning purpose, so don't use these themes for your official live online stores or your client stores. It's a crack version, so that can be risky. Open your practice Shopify project. So on theme option, click on add theme and import a zip file we downloaded earlier. After uploading, you can publish a Shopify new theme.